A company sent me a shock collar in the mail. The Jugbow electric training collar DT-61, which is actually a horrible idea. My dog doesn't need this, and I would personally never use the shock feature on an animal, which can be turned off, by the way, because I feel like most people wouldn't want to get shocked. Anyway, I'm going to test it on myself. Inside the box, we have warranty information, a user manual, the receiver, a USB cable that is important to never lose because you need this to charge the receiver. It can also charge the remote at the same time. A test light tool, long points caps, and here is the remote. Let's peel this off. This is a training collar, so there are other features like a beep or vibration setting. You can take the contact points off of the collar or put a silicone sleeve on them and send a beep to the collar or make it vibrate instead. So every time your dog tries to bite you, you can go beep. Adjusting settings is pretty easy to do using this knob here, which I hear means in Britain. You can also adjust intensity levels of each feature, and you can control 2 dogs with this remote. I like this user manual. It's pretty informative. Here's how to use the test light tool. So we have to make sure the receiver is on. We hold this down for a few seconds. There we go. It vibrated, and there is a green beeping light right here. Now I'm going to use shock level 1. So we hold the light to the tool on the contact points like this, push the shock button, and the light should light up. I can see it, but it's very dim here in this bright room. Here's an extra 10% boost. Here is level 99. Wow, the light is a lot brighter and it lasts longer. And here's a 10% boost. And here's the lowest beep setting. Pretty loud. This is the highest. Actually, that should be the lowest. She doesn't care. It says F8. And here's F1. F1's a lot louder. So you can just use the beep. You can just use vibration or shock. This is level 1. Caught me off guard for a moment. Here's level 99. Ugh. I like it. As you see, every time I push shock, there will be a blue light right there. Now, it's not going to hurt. It's just going to shock me, and I'm going to drop the collar right away. I didn't drop it. There's 2 fingers. See, as you see, it's not that bad at all. This is currently $34.99 on Amazon, and it comes in 3 colors. This is the cheapest color, the green one. It has 4.4 stars out of nearly 7,500 reviews. That's a lot. Customers like the loud sound, long battery life, and ease of use of the collar. They mention it's an amazing product, better than other collars. And the user manual is detailed. Customers also say it works great and is a great training tool. I have to agree with the 7,500 reviews. I thought it might be kind of overwhelming at first, but I like the user manual. It comes with a lot of information, and it made this product very easy to understand. Very good user manual. Thanks for watching.
Don't touch me.
Let's vibrate.